Hey everyone, Vince here. Today I'll be showing you two money-making platforms that will pay you real money to play games. And also my opinion on them. I hope you enjoy. Now the first platform is called GameHag. Now GameHag is a very unique money-making platform, everyone, that features mainly games to play to earn real rewards. This is a very big platform, everyone, so let me try and break it down for you. This is what it looks like when you first sign in to GameHag. Top right corner of the screen, you can find your username, your rank, and you can currently see that I'm a frog at the moment, and in 21 days I'll become a toad. Essentially, different ranks depend on the amount of activity you have on the platform, so I don't get bonuses at the moment, such as daily login bonuses, because I haven't really been active in the last few days. You're going to notice here I'm currently level 3, and I have 640 of the soul gems. Now, these soul gems are the in-game currency that you need to make money. GameHag has a rune system, everyone, and with this rune system you can get bonuses throughout the platform, which is really cool. You don't really see too many platforms with this type of option. Now on the left side of the screen you have the your equipment area. This is where you can see the rewards for your account, and now I've been grinding on GameHag for the last few days and I've managed to generate $20 worth of USD currency of reward. I got these two random CD keys for free when I joined up to GameHag by opening up a treasure chest. We'll get into that in a few moments. But yes, you can see PayPal money there as well as a crypto voucher for $5 USD. See, already everyone, we have quite a bit to talk about, and we haven't even scratched the surface yet. Here are all the different ranks on GameHag, everyone. There are so many that you can go through and earn, and pretty much a majority of the community don't even have half of these ranks unlocked by the looks of it, judging by the popularity percentages here, okay? The last reward I earned for achieving the Young Wizard rank was 10 of the soul gems, whereas I'll get 20 soul gems for free when I achieve the Stingy Wizard rank. Before moving on though, I want to show you the breakdown of how many soul gems convert into real currency, okay? So let's do that now. At the top of the screen you have the rewards button. Tapping on that will give you different ways you can actually achieve rewards on GameHag. So we have the store, the giveaway area, and the chest area. Checking out the store first is going to bring you to the massive redemption area, everyone. So already you can see all the popular cash out options that you probably already know, such as PayPal, Robux, Google Play, and of course game currencies such as Steam Wallet currency, random CD keys. Continuing to scroll down here, we have Twitch currency, prepaid MasterCards, Obucks, K4G rewards, and again, different game rewards through Steam, Epic Games, and I'm fairly sure Unity. You can also get cryptocurrency as well, which I've personally done. And mind you, everyone, there are 30 different pages, majority of them being actual game cash out. So many different options, it's gonna take me way too long to go through them. Now the only downside is, just because you see these options, it doesn't mean the games are actually going to be available. Because let's say I tap on random CD key here, for instance. I can get a random game key, but the shipping time will take up to 31 days, everyone. And that's the same concept for a majority of the game rewards. We'll get into my cash out experience later on, but for now the way you can break it down, $1 worth of PayPal currency is roughly 1,300 of the soul gems, okay? So now that you know that 1,300 of the soul gems converts into $1 worth of USD currency, we can break down the earning methods going forward. And I did just want to say, everyone, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Without your support, I would not be here, so thank you so much. So this is what the collect tab looks like. We have our offer walls on the right side of the screen. We have a majority of the offer walls we all know and love throughout the years, which is great to see all in all. It even features surveys, so not just games, even surveys, ladies and gentlemen, which I really do appreciate. But then on the left side of the screen we have the quests. Now this is where GameHag will give you specific quests to go out and conquer, whether it be playing War Thunder and winning 8 battles and destroying at least 3 enemies to earn roughly $5 worth of USD currency, plus profile experience. Going through here, many different games will give you different quests, which in return will of course give you real cash. Now whether or not you think these are worth your time and effort is completely up to you. That it also supports iOS quests, and of course Android. Some of these may be very easy to complete, where some may be very difficult. I highly recommend you go through and just see which ones you think are pretty easy, okay? The World of Warships one's pretty cool as well, for at least winning 7 battles and to get your first warship, and that's for almost $4 USD. Looking at Offertoro that usually has the highest offers. Straight away for your mobile devices, we have offers that are willing to pay up to $300 worth of USD almost everyone. And of course, these are very difficult to complete, don't get it twisted, but the opportunity is there, and that's the main thing. Again, just like any offer wall, you're gonna have to value your own time to figure out which ones are actually worth it or not. But from what I can see here, GameHag has some pretty above average prices, which is again very nice to see. Remember, this is USD currency, so that's something to really take away here. Depending on how strong the US dollar is in your country, will really determine if these offers are worth it or not. Like this AFK Journey one for $285 almost USD is fantastic in Australia, equaling to almost $400 to $500, dude. Again, being a multi-tiered reward one though, it's going to be very difficult for me to get that full amount of reward, but if I do manage to do it, I'll be rewarded pretty handsomely. Taking a look at their surveys, CPX Research has surveys that are capped off at around 1,500 of the soul gems, which again is obviously around $1.20 or so worth of the USD currency, give or take. And then it jumps straight to 600 and below, so definitely not the highest prices I've seen for surveys, which is to be expected since GameHag is a majority of the time going to be an offer wall type of place with gaming opportunities, so surveys are kind of like a bonus in my opinion. Now if we tap the rewards button again and go to the giveaway area, supposedly completing quests will give us entry into these free prizes, so keep that in mind. But heading to the chest area is in my opinion where GameHag really shines everyone. You can get free chests on a daily basis to weekly to monthly basis simply by using the platform, okay? And these chests include various rewards, including games, and of course cash. So please just keep this in mind, okay? I highly recommend you check on the chest area of GameHag if you're going to use the platform every single day. You can also get CD chests which feature CD keys for various gaming platforms and of course various game titles. Each chest has a completely different chance to drop different things. Obviously the more expensive you go, more than likely the better the rewards are going to be, okay? Such as like a virtual currency chest. They could include a whole bunch of the soul gems or a whole bunch of games. You just really never know, okay? It really just keeps on going. They have so many different chests available, which I really do love. Like the PayPal chest here for 1,000 of the gems. Opening the PayPal chest gives us a chance to win up to $100 worth of USD PayPal, dude. Now there is also an article system. You can earn soul gems for evaluating articles of other users. And when you write an article, you can get up to 250 of the soul gems, and while covering certain topics, you can get up to 375 of them. So voting on a person's article can give you soul gems as well from what I can see. Looks like I can get 25 today by voting. They also feature a fully functioning form, which is pretty cool all in all for various games. And there is a free daily giveaway area, guys, where every single day they give away free soul gems to their top users, okay? I've actually earned quite a bit of the free gems from doing this. Like I said, a lot of information to process. Now, let me show you what happens when you try and redeem some of the Steam keys. So if I tap on the random CD key area here, I can now show the code to see what I won. Okay, so supposedly I just unlocked something called Blood on the Dusty Trail. Let's try and redeem it. Yep, everyone, it worked. Awesome. Okay, so let's activate it now. It does look like a pretty interesting game. I doubt I ever play it. But it is valued at $4.50 Australian currency. So I just got a free game that's worth almost $5 in my country. Pretty cool. Now I'm going to redeem another offer. And I got something called Way Out 2 Hex. Okay, I've just redeemed that. And yes, it did work. It looks like it's a game released in 2017, but yes, it is now in my inventory, everyone, so I own it, and that cost apparently $2.95 before this discount. Now, what about this crypto voucher? Heading over to the crypto voucher website, if I enter the code I was given, you can see here that it registers as $5. Now I'm getting sent an email verification. It now gives me the opportunity here to cash out to an external wallet, but it does look like there's a €2.50 redemption fee. That's pretty brutal. That's it, transaction is now completed, and within one single day I was paid to my crypto account, everyone. So yes, it is legitimate. The crypto voucher does work, but there is quite a steep fee in my opinion. Now for my PayPal redemption, everyone, I am very happy to say that I was paid out once they actually processed my cash out, which took around 3 days. So if you want to use GameHag, at least now you know about it. Let's move on to the next platform. Now the next platform is called Earnnut, and this is what it looks like, everyone. EarnNut can be accessed from either your mobile phone or of course your computer, and they feature so many different cash out options and ways you can earn some massive cash by playing games. Let me dive into it now to show you if it's still worth your time or not and if they actually pay still. So this is what it looks like when you sign into EarnNut, everyone. Top right corner of the screen you have your account balance. You can see here I have $1.87 worth of Australian currency. Now before we look at all these offers, let's check out the cash out options at the top of the screen. Now this is what the cash out area looks like, and depending on which country you're from, you're going to have many different options available. At least here in Australia, I have a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies available, and of course gift cards and game skins, with PayPal currency being a $1.51 minimum. Now the top of the screens, if you go to the Earn tab, it's going to give you all the different ways that you can generate straight up currency, everyone, whether it be surveys or a huge amount of offer wall provided. But if you want to earn by playing games or installing apps, tap on the offer button at the top of the screen, and here it's going to give you the currency conversion rate. For at least here in Australia, I have $1 worth of Australian currency for 662 of the EarnNut currency. Now what you're going to notice instantly is that I have offers willing to pay over $1,000, guys. That is ridiculous, man. And continuing on here, hundreds upon hundreds of dollars, man. This is exactly what you want to see from a make money platform. Like a grab a toy offer here, and other offer walls is literally only about what, $50? And here it's $144. Now granted, obviously these type of offers, everyone, are very hard to complete, just like your standard offer wall providers. But the prices are just so solid on EarnNut right now. That's why I'm talking about it again today, and because I actually activated my own cash out to show you if they did pay me or not still. Mind you, there are so many different offer walls you can try and browse through as well if you want to. You can even watch videos on Lootably, or you can complete surveys with CPX Research, InBrain, SaySo. Speaking of which, with CPX Research, I have surveys willing to pay me 1,600 of the coins, everyone, which is pretty much $2 worth of currency there, and there are so many of them. They also do have monthly leaderboards where they give away cash every single month, as well as fast events where they give away small amounts of cash in a small amount of time. With all of these different cash outs available depending on your country, is EarnNut actually still legitimate, and did it pay me, guys? Well everyone, I withdrew $7.55 worth of PayPal currency, and I am very happy to say that yes, I was paid within 3 days to my PayPal account. Here you can see that it hit my PayPal account without any issues for $7.50. But now what I will say is that there was a PayPal fee of 57 cents. So in reality, I got $6.93 worth of Australian currency, everyone, after the PayPal fee. So just keep that in mind. You can also unlock achievements depending on how well you perform on the platform, which again is pretty sweet. These achievements will give you real world rewards. So look, while it might not be for everyone, at least now you know about it, and that's the main thing. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope that you all did enjoy. Please remember to check out my channel for almost 1,000 money making reviews. I'll catch you all next time. Stay safe out there.